In this tutorial we're going to take a look at making a downward angle part that is multiple pins wide but still 3 pins long. We have this bottom detail. Again, now we're at 2 pins or more wide. We have this inside-outside diameter circle. We really have to be careful of how we drive these dimensions to create this bottom feature. So we're going to take a look at constructing this part. New part file. It's in metric. We're going to extrude in either the front or the right side plane. We're going to start by sketching out our basic shape. So our dimensions, since it's 3 pins long, 24 millimeters, 10 millimeters tall, 8 where the pins go, and 1.5 for that vertical edge. Being that the demonstration here is one with that is 2 pins wide, it's going to be 16. Again, depending on how many pins wide yours is, you're going to multiply this number by 8. On the top surface, I'm going to add my pins. Find the center of the one circle, center of the other. 2 circles. They're both the diameter of 5, and set our spacing 4 in from the side, 8 millimeters from center to center. Both of these pins are 1.5 millimeters tall. We're going to shell the bottom. Shell thickness of 1.5. We still need to make that cut here with these angled pieces so that another pin will be accepted in here. So we're going to cut that at 1.5 to create that small flat surface. Now we need to lay out our bottom detail. My suggestion is find the midpoint. I'd also construct a line from one of the centers of the backside of the pin vertically up. You will also need a line that goes from this, which is really the center of one pin, what we don't have, to the center of another. This will help us drive that bottom detail. A diameter of 5 here. Find the midpoint, outside diameter, which is driven, the inside diameter, which is 5. I recommend that you mirror this to the other side since you've already bisected this part. This line's already here for mirroring. Select your 2 arcs and mirror it around this line, and we're going to extrude these.
Michelle Lovell, please dial.
Once we've selected both of these, we're going to extrude up to surface, and I would select this flat surface. This is going to have these 2 parts stick out through the front face, but we're going to come back and cut them off. By selecting the side, we're going to sketch our lines, trace through downward angle, and box this in order to cut across this front face. So we got our bottom detail, our 1.5 cut in here to accept another pin. All we have to do is change our material and select your color.